Today we want to draw a Hello Kitty together. First, we draw the head and ears of the kitty along with a bow tie. In this drawing, Kitty is a chef. And now we start to draw Kitty's chef hat. And then we start to draw Chef Kitty's nose and eyes. And then we start to draw Chef Kitty's body. And now we draw a spoon in Chef Kitty's hand. After completing the drawing, we start to paint. Red color. You can paint with pencil or gouache or watercolor or marker. Orange color, pink color, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Blue color, please subscribe, like, and share this video.